I caught a freaking crawdad taking my bait. So he shall become bait. Look at this guy. He really wants that shit. He's getting tired. Crystal found a spot down there. Let's go check it out. Hey, baby. Gotta be a little field mouse. I was kneeling down. It's like stalking us. Went right across here. It's like right there somewhere, but I can't see it. Little sparrows.
Are they
I think.
sparrows or swallows?
Or some type of finch even. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Their nests are really neat.
Their nests are really neat.
So many of them.
Wow. Look at them all swooping around.
Oh my goodness, there's so many.
There you go, my love.
Oh,